another travel vlog here on Theme Park Worldwide. As you probably guessed by the title, we're on our way to Disneyland Paris. Now normally I'd head over to Disneyland Paris on the Eurostar, which I get from London, make my way over there to Paris, and then that'd take us directly into Disney. But this time we've come in a car and we're actually on the Eurotunnel, and it's about 2 o'clock in the morning, and I'm here with our designated driver for this trip. Here he is, he looks absolutely knackered. I think he's asleep. Oh no, he's awake. How are you? We're off Disney, how do you feel?
Tired.
You're a bit tired, are you? But Alex has decided to drive to Disneyland Paris, and we've made the, what, about 2.5 hour, 3 hour trek from the Midlands down to Folkestone, where we've got on the Eurotunnel, and then we're going to get off the other end in France at about 2:30 in the morning.
Good time to show off the motor.
Yeah, it is, yeah, here's the car. Obviously Krista's here as well, Alex's girlfriend. So yeah, and we'll get off the train at the other end where Alex is going to drive 3 hours down to Disneyland Paris.
Yeah, can't wait.
Yeah, so we're a bit tired, aren't we, at the moment? We're not too bad. Krista more than any of us, I think, is a bit tired. First trip to Disney though for Krista, so...
First theme park out of the UK, well, out of England for you, isn't it?
Oh my god, yeah, she's going to love it. It's going to be really nice, and definitely get a bit of footage on park.
And I'm looking at the PJs as well.
I say, yeah, this is...
You've got yours on, you've got Thumper, and I've got Mickey and
I've got this hoodie on which I've wore for like the past month in every single video. I promise I am going to stop wearing this hoodie soon. I bought it and it's that fluffy
He said that 3 years ago.
So yeah, obviously we're going to make our way over now, about a 35-minute crossing on the Eurotunnel, and then when we get over there we'll get some shots of us driving through France. I say us driving, of Alex driving through France. And yeah, to be fair, he drove on quite well, as you saw from the footage there in the time lapse. Just it was a good
time lapse.
Yeah, it was I don't know, I've not edited it yet. It was a good drive on. But yeah, we'll get on the road, show you some shots, and we'll drive into Disneyland Paris. The last time I actually went into Disneyland Paris via a vehicle was actually on a coach, and that was way back in 2006. So it's a long time since I've been through the entranceway that you come in through on the roads, basically. So it's going to be really good. I'll show you some shots of the hotel as well. Of course, these travel vlogs will do a bit of a room tour. We're going to be staying at...
Oh, sorry, I'm so tired of it.
That again. We're going to be staying at...
I'm so tired.
Hotel Cheyenne! Yeah. It's like it's 2 o'clock in the morning. Like, we're not joking, it is genuinely 2 o'clock in the morning. I'd say I'd show you out the window, but it's dark because we're in a tunnel. But you'll see in a second from the shots. You know what? I'm going to turn the camera off, I'm going to shut up and show you some shots, and we'll make our way to Disney's hotel. See you on the road. It's 7:30 AM and we've arrived at Hotel Cheyenne in Disneyland Paris. And yeah, a really good drive from Alex there. What are you doing? You're getting changed. A really good drive there, Alex.
Thanks.
How long did it take us? Just over 3 hours from Eurotunnel.
From Calais up to Disneyland Paris, and that was with a couple of stops as well on the way. So
yeah, not too bad at all.
Traffic at this time of the morning as well.
We've done an all-nighter, haven't we? And we're going straight onto the park now, which is crazy. Yeah, it is been all night. We're going straight onto the park. We've just been in, and the good thing is, obviously, if you're staying on site, you get your park tickets, and you also get to go in for your extra magic hour as well inside the park, which runs from 8:30 until 9:30. So it's great. We've got an hour until that. We've just gone in, we've checked in, got our park tickets, which you're fine to do, but you can't have your room, obviously, unless it's ready until 3 o'clock. But well worth getting here early if you can do, if you do decide to drive. Get here, go and get your park tickets, get your hotel Easy Pass, which gets you into your extra magic hour, and really make the most of them hotel benefits. But that's all for now. I'll see you a little bit later on tonight. Once we come back from the park, I'll do a hotel tour around Cheyenne and also show you our room as well. So we'll see you later on. And Alex is
too tight.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm not even going to pan the camera down.
Okay.
We'll see you later on from the Hotel Cheyenne. Oh. So we've had a fantastic time today on park here at Disneyland Paris. It's been a really good day, and you've just seen some shots of inside of Hotel Cheyenne and the different facilities here. From the outside, you got the Chuck Wagon Cafe, that's the restaurant here. You got the Red Carter Saloon, which is just there next to it. Then you've got the general store, which is obviously the shop where you can buy all little bits. And then next to it there, you've got Starbucks coffee as well, which is inside this building, which is a bank. So everything really is set all within these buildings here in the middle. Now Hotel Cheyenne is absolutely huge, and it's not like your normal hotel where it's all in one block. It's all split off into these little different sections here, and some have got like upstairs balconies, some have got like the little bits on the outside, and they're all very different buildings. It's supposed to resemble obviously this Wild West town, and they've done a really good job of it, and it's quite hard to make out in the dark, but you've got some really nice details on all of the buildings. Now the lobby and reception building is also inside this main building here where everything else is, but you want to really be staying down to the left hand side from where you're standing here at Chuck Wagon, because if you go up that way, it's about another 5 minutes extra for your walk to the parks in the morning, because there's accommodation here at Cheyenne all the way around there, but your theme parks, if you're walking, is down that way, and that takes you down towards both the parks and also Disney Village. Now of course, stopping on site, you can use the free shuttle buses. That takes you from out the front just here of your hotel and will drop you off down at the park. But a little top tip for you with that: if you do walk, which if you're staying here at Cheyenne, it's only 10 to 15 minutes walk anyway, you do get to go in via your own security entrance, which is normally a lot quicker than going in through the other security entrance where the bus will drop you off, because where the bus drops you off is where all the day guests come, so you're definitely a lot quicker going through, walking down this way and going through the bag check at Disney Village. But yeah, we're staying down at this side. We didn't actually request it, I normally try to, but Alex booked this one, and like I say, it was a bit of a last minute trip for me this one. I wasn't expecting to do it, but yeah, Alex has managed to make sure we've got a room down at this end, so we are closer to the park. So it is only a 10-minute walk, if that, down to Disneyland Park, and it's literally a 5-minute walk round to Disney Village. Anyway, time to wrap up this travel vlog. Let's go and have a little look inside our room here at Hotel Cheyenne. Now this hotel went through quite a few refurbishments over the past few years. It's got a bit of a Toy Story style feel to it now, so I look forward to seeing the updated room and get out of this horrible rain.
Hello?
Hello?
Who is it?
It's Sean.
Who?
Sean.
Which one?
Shut up, let me in. Hello?
Hello! Come on in.
Here we are.
Do you like the contactless door?
The what?
It's a contactless door.
Oh, it is a contactless door.
Yeah,
Oh, there you are. Yeah, we've got 2 keys. Oh, yeah, this is it. So welcome to Hotel Cheyenne. Quick room tour for you. Now, I believe this isn't a standard room, is it? Is this a...
It's a Texas
an upgrade room? It says on here, what else does it say on here as well?
Howdy, family crump.
Family crumb. Oh, we're family now?
We are family. Currently rainwater.
Great, that's not what I want. Yeah, we've just come off park. We've had a really good time. Bit wet today, but I will do a video tomorrow, so make sure you check it out. But yeah, so this is one of the more upgraded rooms, and yeah, we'll start off by showing you about in here. So it is Toy Story themed. You got Jessie, Woody, Bullseye up there as well. Woody's round-up clock, and a few books to read up there if you get bored in the night and want to do some reading. You got a big fan up there as well. Theme Park Worldwide's biggest fan up there on the ceiling. These, I'm not really too sure.
I think they're home, but yeah, it is.
These are nice. I'm going to say MTV doesn't really fit, to be honest.
New York style.
Did you bring this as well, or is this part of the room?
No, that's part of the room.
That's part of the room. I like how you've got this over here. You've also got like the horseshoe mirror on the wall there.
And you've got
Woody lamp with the boots.
Boot lamp.
That's quite nice on there. Disneyland Paris TV, as always, on there. And these rooms have all been refurbished over the past couple of years. And to be honest, they're not bad, are they?
You've got a nice air conditioning unit on the wall there as well.
You've got your AC over here. So yeah, that looks quite easy to control. Nice picture up there on the wall. And yeah, plenty of space here, plenty of coat hangers and things. There is a safe down there as well. Don't think there's a fridge inside this room, is there? No fridge. They like you spending at the restaurants, don't they? Bathroom's really nice in here. Massive mirror, loads of lights up there. Obviously, you get your towels and things refreshed every day. Shower and a bath, and of course, the bathroom will be complete without a toilet just there. Oh, there we are. Choking, and he fell over then.
Oh,
but yeah, that's not very nice. He's horrible, isn't he? He's horrible.
You got a nice bed there.
Yeah, this is nice. I don't know what these are here. It's like we're having a battle beam in the night.
Oh,
yeah. Battle beam, yeah, we got 2 of them as well.
I don't embarrass you because you'll lose.
Oh, but yeah, that's it for the travel vlog. Like I say, it's been a long day. I've not actually slept now for a long time. It was yesterday
31
morning.
hours it's been.
Yeah, it's been that, but I'm not too tired to be honest. But I'm going to try and get some sleep. We'll go on park tomorrow, and we'll have a good time here at Disneyland Paris. So thanks for watching the travel vlog. Any questions, as always, comment down below. I'll always try my best to answer the best I can do with anything. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on park, and that means it's time to cue those credits. Bye.